Welcome to Big Pit.
Thank you for choosing to visit Big Pit and explore with us the history of the coal industry in Wales, the people who came here and the lives they built. On your arrival, there's parking for general visitors in our main car park and a coach park to the left opposite our main entrance. After departing your transport, make your way to our entrance reception where our friendly staff will guide you on your way around Big Pit and give you directions to the underground tour waiting room. You will be met in this area by one of our fantastic miner guides who will guide you on your journey 90 metres below. Remember, this area can sometimes get very busy. If you are going on one of our underground tours, this is where one of our miner guides will fit you with a safety helmet and lamp and will put on a belt around your waist with a battery pack and self-rescuer. This can be heavy for our younger visitors. Any items not permitted underground like mobile phones or cameras can be left in the lockers. The cage takes 1.5 minutes to get to the bottom of the pit. During this journey there is very little light and during your tour you will experience cramped and dark spaces, but your lamp and the underground lighting will light your way. Here, in the middle of the site, you can explore Big Pit's blacksmith forge and colliery stables, where the pit's horses would be kept on the surface, and find public toilets and the Play Lab learning room. From here, there are two ways to get to the Pithead Baths, one via the steps to the left of these buildings, and another via a ramp to the right. Big Pit's Pithead Baths, you find our Kersley learning room and lunchtime facilities in the Coiter room, our miners' canteen and exhibitions where you'll explore 300 million years of Welsh history and discover the rich stories of Welsh coal and the people who mined it. Throughout these galleries you will experience various audio and video footage, including the recorded sounds of voices and singing in the miners' lockers and showers area. At the fan house you will discover more about Big Pit's ventilation system works and the dangers of gas underground. The sound of the large fans can be heard loudly in this area as we use sound effects from the telephone operator's office. Set into the hillside is our King Coal Mining Galleries, where an audio-visual experience will tell the story of how the Welsh mining industry evolved. Throughout these galleries you will experience loud sound effects including explosions, dark areas and changes in lighting.
Boom, 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 as the rock and coal were blasted out.
Before you leave, why not pay a visit to our shop and pick up a souvenir of your visit? Every purchase supports the work of the museum. Throughout your visit, staff will be on hand to support you and your group and help with any questions that you may have. We hope that you enjoy your visit to Big Pit National Coal Museum.